Looking for an easy way to stream free live TV? TheTVApp.to is your go-to solution for accessing all your favorite channels, including sports and news, without any hassle. First, visit TheTVApp.to on your device. It's user-friendly, so you'll have no trouble navigating. After accessing the site, create a free account. This will unlock hundreds of channels, including NFL, NBA, and even international content.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp.
Make sure to check your internet connection for the best streaming experience. Next, explore the categories available. You'll find everything from movies to live sports. Don't forget to use the search bar for your favorite shows or events. If you're traveling abroad, TheTVApp.to offers a VPN option to keep you connected. Remember, it's crucial to keep your app updated for the latest features and channels. And for the best IPTV provider, check out TheTV store in the description. You won't regret it. Finally, make your viewing experience even better by customizing your settings in the app. Adjust the video quality based on your internet speed to avoid buffering. TheTVApp.to is your key to uninterrupted entertainment, so dive in now. And don't forget to explore the link for the best IPTV provider.